In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube randomly pausing on your Windows PC. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. After that, go back to Chrome Settings. From the left-hand menu, click System. Turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Then click Relaunch to restart Google Chrome. Now open YouTube and check if the videos still pause randomly. If the issue continues, restart your computer and test YouTube again. The videos should now play without randomly pausing. That's it. This is how you can fix YouTube randomly pausing on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.